Some Yoruba words are so powerful that you can't replace them with English words. For example, iwa, iwa, which in English translates to character, but it is more than character. It is your essence. It is who you are. It is your attributes. Iwa, iwa, it is your true beauty. It is your essence. Oriki is another thing that I feel that can't be fully captured in English. So no matter how you say, Oriki means praise name or praise poetry, it just doesn't really capture the meaning of Oriki. To ki means to praise. Oriki, like you're praising somebody's head. But I feel like the English just doesn't do justice to it. Oriki. These words carry our culture, our pride, our identity. This is why Yoruba would always have a place of its own. It cannot be replaced by another language. It just can't.